because I buy way too much stuff. All right, what's in here? Let's see, because I have no idea. Oh, badges. Okay, let's make this easy. Wow, I forgot I bought all this stuff. Okay, one more. Okay, I forgot about all this. All right, guess I need to open the boxes more often. All right, what do we have? Manual. Oh, paybook. I'm gonna have to look. Oh, that's nice. Bopple HMC. That's a nice ship's crest. Ration book holder. I haven't seen this book before. I've seen these, but I haven't seen that. Interesting.